What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today myself and my brother are heading out in the Mini and the Civic. I'm using my phone camera as the gimbal is broken. Hey, a puppy, just the puppy sound. But yeah, we're gonna head out to Bray Cars and Coffee. What's wrong? What's up? I know. So we're heading out to Bray's Cars and Coffee, and yeah, if you're there, we'll see you there. How cool is that? 6 pipes out the back. Amazing. We'll get a noise of it pulling off now in a second. Lee's dream car, an M5 or an M6, but this is not.
That's a 540.
535 or 530? 520.
Yeah. Nice.
Want one of these. Do a big stupid wide arch kit and a big stupid wheels. Gorgeous interior. Bit rough, but I do like these. busy as we did expect it to be, but it's a bit of crack. Got the Mini and the Civic out, really enjoyed it. That's my old passenger bear for Halloween, obviously. But yeah guys, just a little video of what's out in Ireland, the little Bray me. So gonna head off now back home, give the cars a wash. Mini there in the background. So yeah, it's been real. I really appreciate you watching the videos and tagging along. Make sure you give the video a like, comment on the video which is your favorite car, obviously one of mine. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and make sure you're watching all the updates coming to the channel soon. I'm hoping to buy a new car soon for the next build. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed for that guys. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, be dedicated, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Very busy, so it might not happen, but we will keep trying. There is no catching that Mini. Yeah, the Mini is well faster than the Civic, holy shit. Yeah, I'm just gonna absolutely cruise now, no point. I will be putting the Mini and the Civic on a quarter mile, definitely. I need to see which one is faster in a quarter mile, but side by side, like I was in third gear there, he pulled off a little bit, I put the boot down ahead of him and he just ripped past me. That's crazy. That is the question. What car do you think will win in a quarter mile? The Civic or the Mini? I think the Mini because it's mental. So yeah, peace out guys. See you in the next one. Be dedicated, subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you're following for updates. See you in the next one.